Passive income ideas: how to make passive income. In this video we have an exciting topic that many of you have been requesting: passive income ideas and how to make passive income. If you're tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind and looking for ways to earn money while you sleep, this video is for you. Before we dive into the passive income ideas, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future money-making tips. Let's get started. 1. Understanding passive income. First things first, let's define passive income. Passive income is money that keeps coming in regularly with minimal effort or active involvement on your part. It's not about getting rich overnight, but rather building a sustainable income stream that works for you in the long term. 2. Investing in dividend stocks. One of the classic passive income strategies is investing in dividend stocks. When you invest in well-established companies, they may share a portion of their profits with shareholders in the form of dividends. These dividends can provide you with a steady income stream, and over time, your investment can grow as well. 3. Create an online course or ebook. If you have expertise in a specific field, consider creating an online course or writing an ebook. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Amazon Kindle allow you to sell your knowledge to a global audience. Once your course or ebook is up and running, you'll continue to earn money from sales without any further active involvement. 4. Rental properties and real estate. Investing in rental properties can be a great way to generate passive income. While it requires more upfront effort and capital, rental properties can provide you with a steady monthly income as long as they're occupied. Plus, real estate tends to appreciate over time, adding to your overall wealth. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms enable you to lend money to individuals or businesses in need, earning interest on your loans. It's essential to research and choose reputable platforms to reduce the risk. With time and a diversified portfolio, P2P lending can be a viable source of passive income. 6. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, website, or active social media presence, affiliate marketing can be an excellent passive income stream. By promoting products or services of other companies, you earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. 7. High-interest savings accounts or CDs. While the returns might not be as high as other investments, opening a high-interest savings account or investing in certificates of deposit, CDs, can be a secure way to earn passive income with little to no risk. 8. Add revenue on YouTube or a blog. If you enjoy creating content, consider starting a YouTube channel or blog. Once you've built a substantial audience, you can earn passive income through ad revenue. Remember, consistency and providing value are key to growing your channel or blog. Conclusion. And there you have it: passive income ideas to help you achieve financial freedom and create a life of flexibility. Keep in mind that while passive income requires less active effort, it's not entirely hands-free. It often demands hard work up front, but once established, it can be an excellent supplement to your regular income. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.